This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Mario Banales. Come see this charming 3-bedroom/2-bath/2 centigrams home located in the highly desired BELMONT Community. This well-cared-for Connecticut floor plan features a freshly painted interior and ceramic tile throughout the common areas. The open floor plan nicely displays a beautiful kitchen that boasts 42-inch cabinetry, granite countertops, recessed lighting, stainless steel appliances, and a large center island. On the other side, the kitchen overlooks a cozy dining room and spacious living area. The living room offers the comfort to entertain guests or simply time to relax and enjoy the water views and natural light provided by the windows and sliding doors. The master bedroom includes a large ensuite bathroom with dual vanities, walk-in glass shower, and a sizable walk-in closet. The additional bedrooms are easily convertible and offer ample space for any visiting guest or a work-from-home office. For your convenience, there is a second bathroom next to the dining area and the laundry room is inside the home. In addition to all these wonderful features, the home also includes a water softening system, security system, rain bird sprinkler system, and screened-in back patio. The BELMONT Community highlights consist of 2 resort-style pools, tennis courts, a basketball court, and miles of trails. This area is set to explode and couldn't be a better time to get in. You also have a new Publix Supermarket right outside your doorsteps, and local shopping and dining just minutes away. The beautiful beaches and Orlando theme parks are about an hour away, and it is an easy commute to downtown Tampa and MacDill AFB. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to buy this home before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.